to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys, for choosing to watch this channel. Thank you so much for your sweet comments, and thank you so much for the new subscribers. Oh my gosh, the membership. Thank you. I really appreciate so much. Guys, on our last video, I made Kenyan chin chin. Thank you so much for watching that video, guys. That is amazing snack. However, people were asking, what are we gonna eat with tomato? How are you gonna eat it? So today's video, I'm going to show you how you can eat or eat this chin chin. Chin chin is an African snack, guys, or you can call it corn flour. It's made out of corn flour, just corn flour, and sugar. Add a little bit of sugar and a little bit of salt and water, and then mold it. Guys, you can watch the video that I posted on my channel and mold it in the dough and make some little balls, and hey, you come up with Kenyan chin chin. It's right here, guys. I'm gonna show you in a little bit. So it's right here. So today I'm gonna show you what to eat with. Guys, you can eat it with tea if you are a tea person, a milk tea, coffee, or tea leaves. But today I have mine here that I'm gonna show you. Let me show you a little bit. Oh well, guys, my lemon tea is here and honey. Guys, it's really hot. Ooh. Ooh, so sweet. So what I do, I get my chin chin. Oh, so crunchy, guys. Look at that. Really nice snack. And then I enjoy with my tea. And the good with this snack, guys, the good, excuse me, the good thing with this chin chin snack, if you're working, you can take this to your work. You can put under your desk, you can put in your drawer, you can put in your wallet or purse or something, so that you can be snacking. You know, you can snack like peanuts. I love this. It's like you can carry it anywhere. And the children, if you have little children, you know, young ones, they love this snack. Like my boys in my house, my gosh, I have to make this. And it's easier to make. It's just corn flour and water and a little bit of sugar and deep fried. Guys, one of y'all, some of y'all were asking if we can bake this one. I have never baked it, but I don't know if it's gonna produce the same results, or if you bake it, it's gonna be the same, because I've never done it. It's something maybe I need to try and to see if baking is going to work. Or if you try baking it, please comment below, let me know how it turned out. However, I feel like deep frying is gonna be the best way, because you need that crunchy and that sweetness, you know, a little bit of oil in it so that it can make sense, right? But hey, it doesn't hurt trying to bake it. If you want to bake it, go ahead and bake it. Let us know how it works, okay? And if you have ever, you know, tried this one, tested it, please comment below. Let me know how yours turned out, because we are different countries make it in different ways. Some people make it really, really tiny. I have tested, I don't know, Nigerian chin chin or Ghana chin chin, I don't know, but they're really tiny. But this Kenyan chin chin, I have been eating this like forever. But when I was usually when I was in elementary school, we used to cook this. My mom used to cook this like crazy, like all the time. And we have our local markets. This was really a booming business in our local markets. I don't know if nowadays they sell it. When I go back home, I'll try to find out for you guys if they still sell this, or if they still make this. I will definitely go and try to find it and try to test it and see if it's what. But I thank my mom, because she taught me how to, you know, to fry this. And I was thinking, like, now since I have an outdoor stove, guys, for those ones who don't know, I have an outdoor stove that I usually cook outside. It's just for, you know, it's just for fun. It's just for me, to my love of cooking. I don't want to be cooking only on the stove, electric. I'm so tired. Sometimes electronics is too much for your girl. I am a village girl, and I'm proud to be a village girl. So I love sometimes to cook outside. You know, summertime like this one, the weather is really hot, but at the same time, evening time, you can really cook anything outside. And any opportunity that I get to cook outside, I will definitely go ahead and cook outside or deep fry anything outside. And I'll be showing you most of the things that I do outdoor. You know, I love outdoor activities. Guys, you do not want to miss this channel. My channel is just pretty much my lifestyle here in the US. And lifestyle here in the US, what people do here, how people live here, you know, the daily life, you know, how people, I'm going to be taking you to one of the videos. I'm going to take you to college if you want to go to school and you just want to come here for study. I'm going to show you the colleges that people have here so that you can have the full experience of Umoto lifestyle here in the US, okay? So that, you know, I found out so many people want to be like, oh, how America looks like, what people really think. Because when I was back home long time, I used to think like America is heaven, or is somewhere in the ocean, or is somewhere out of this world. You know, people still think that way. So that's why I'm here to kind of show you exactly what it is here in America and what people do here. You can just pretty much live your life. You see now, I can deep fry my chin here in America. All you have to do is to think, is to be you. The best thing you can do to yourself is to be you. Appreciate you. Coming to America doesn't change me as a Kenyan girl or a village girl. Yes, we have all these other fancy styles, but it doesn't change me as a human being, as a Kenyan girl. I'm still a Kenyan, even though I live in a different continent, okay? So guys, comment below, tell me what you think of this chin or what you want me to cook next for you. Okay, so I'm gonna enjoy my lemon, my tea, you know. And again, as I told you guys, you can add some mint here, which I have mint outside in my garden, but today I just want to get it easy. I just want to feel the Kenyan tea leaves right here. Okay, and guys, I love these Kenyans. If you happen to come from Kenya, if you travel this summer, please bring me this box. I love it so much, guys. This Kenyan tea is really amazing. Whenever you find some, go ahead and grab it and you will thank me later. Guys, this is my breakfast. Let me enjoy my breakfast. I love you so much, guys, and keep watching this summer. You know, I'm bringing you more content because I'm kind of free this summer. So that's why I need really to bring you more content, and I want your support, guys. Make sure you support me by commenting the channel above. You support me by joining the membership so that we can grow this channel together. And guys, whenever I go to your comment sections, whenever I see what you're talking there, how you're encouraging me, guys, I love you so much. And guys, those ones who loved my dreadlocks now are 1 year. You know, I'm gonna show you some of the styling that I do. Those videos are coming, so don't worry. I'll be bringing you lifestyle here. There are people who are requesting for me to show you restaurants, how they look here. Guys, the videos and the contents are coming. In America, people are busy, but whenever I get a chance to make a content for you, trust me, I am going definitely to make a content for you. For your wish is my command. Okay, guys, comment below, subscribe if not already, share with your friends my videos, guys. Tell them that this lady here, her name is Umoto Lifestyle. She's an African girl, a village girl. She lives in the US and she is making content for us to see America. Guys, I love you so much, from my kitchen to yours, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.